Ho, 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 ho. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you're having a great December. This week's been truly crazy as far as how much stuff we've received, but we think you're going to want to take a look at this one. This right here is the brand new Matchbox T case. I took a quick look. It doesn't look like anyone has this up yet, so we might be the first with it, and that's always a good thing. So here we go, Matchbox T case 2020. This is a super cool goodies box. I mean, there's a lot of good stuff in this thing. So we'll just take a nice little peek at it, take a quick look. Okay. Get you a top-down view real quick. I mean, you can just tell right off the bat there's some good stuff. As usual, we're going to go 3x3 on the Matchbox case. 24 cars. They've the bubbles are a little smaller, so they've started putting a little filler in it, I guess you'd call it. Okay. The first three cars in the case are the Road Raider, which you guys have seen that one before, although that's probably a new color. Let's take a look at the Road Raider. A little quick peek of the Road Raider. And then this one right here is the 69 BMW 2002. For me, this is a personal favorite. Got the nice little BMW badge on the hood there. I love this car. Okay, the next three in the case. Oh boy. We've got the Chowmobile. We've got the Porsche Panamera. And we've got the Mercedes AMG GT63S. Whew. All right, the Chowmobile has lobster and crab cakes on the side of it. That's very cool. I like the decals on that. The Porsche Panamera is in a different color. Here's a good look at the Porsche. And then this right here, oh man. The Mercedes AMG is sick. I'm gonna have to get one of these ones. This is another favorite. I think this is a special model, guys. There's a great look at the Mercedes AMG. Okay, the next three in the case are the 33 Ford Coupe, the 47 Chevy AD 3100, and then this one right here is the 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE, which was in the last case. Here's the 33 Ford Coupe. Take a good little look at it. As you guys know, the Matchbox has just really been on fire lately. They're crushing it at Matchbox. This is the 47 Chevy AD 3100. It's got National Parks Forest Ranger on the side of the door there. Very cool. The next three in the case are the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U300, and then the Volkswagen Golf MK1. Here's the Volkswagen Golf. Reminds me of the late 80s, early 90s, guys. Here's a close-up of the Unimog. What does that say on the side there? It says delivery. I can't quite make out what the badge says on the door. super bright green. The next three in the case are all the same thing here. This is the Hummer H2 SUV concept. This one says Marine One Rescue on it. Matchbox Ocean. It's got a little seal on the door. That's cool decals on that one. The next three in the case are the Matchbox Backhoe. We'll take a good look at that one. Then the next three in the case, this is a very popular model right here. This is the 2014 Subaru Sambar. This is a brand new color for it. I think the last one was blue that they did in 2019, but the 2020 Subaru Sambar is white. Got the headlights on it. What does that say on the back? Sambar on the back. And then the last three cars in the case are the Seagrave fire engine, the Lamborghini Gallardo police, and the 41 Cadillac Series 62. All of these are really nice models here. Here's a closer view of the Seagrave. Here's a nice view of the Lamborghini Gallardo police. Gotta love the Lambo police cars, guys. I love those. And then the very last car is the Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe. Thank you guys for joining us. Hope you're having a great December. This is Wheel Collectors with Hot Off the Truck. Thank you very much. Let's take a quick top-down view of the case. You guys can see an overview of the case. Very cool. Matchbox is crushing it. Wheel Collectors is out.